what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. Trying to get this video to 100. Come on, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this video, we got the updates and recap. One of the major updates is the Jordan 5 8 Ama Manier. So this is the Dawn pair. This is the white and blue pair that is coming out. So if you didn't know, Ama Manier released these on the November 17th, and now Nike is released them at a worldwide release on the 27th of November. I did think that these were going to be more limited because I thought they were only releasing on 8 Ama Manier, but come to find out, more boutiques have them as well as sneakers, so I do expect the price to drop down. But the good news for me is my shipment was confirmed. I did get a confirmed email, so it will be shipping those out to me soon, so stay tuned for that. So moving on to the Jordan updates, what we got, my brother?
On November the 15th, we did have those Air Jordan 3s, which was a women's pair off Noir. Hey, I called them the Oreos, right? Yeah, the Oreos.
I need cookies, I'm bad.
The sizes that are still available are 5 through 10 on Nike.com, but those shoes are still sitting. What we have next, my brother?
So if you don't know, before we move on, I did go ahead and pull the trigger on those. I did say that I was going to wait. I noticed that on the day of release that the men's prices were still above retail, so I just went ahead and pulled the trigger. But like my brother said, the sizes 5W through 10W are still available. I did notice the higher sizes, the men's sizing was pretty much sold out. So hopefully if you wanted these, you was able to cop these. And they're still not going for a high resale value. I think my size 10 was going for $199 on StockX. So if you still want those, I want to cop them, sneakerheads. But moving on, the next shoe we had on the list was those Jordan 5 8 Ama Manier. Again, this is the Dawn pair. Again, I was able to hit on the raffle from 8 Ama Manier, so stay tuned from the unboxing for that. I don't know if they released them on that day because I entered the raffle, so I'm assuming that it was the raffle. But if you did able to cop, let us know down below if you're able to cop these on the release day. This was again on the 17th of November. 8 Ama Maniers, so I'm gonna assume that they sold out. So what we got next, my brother?
Hey, so on the 18th of November, we did have those Air Jordan 2s. It's the Origins. You know, these was the Italian shoe because it represented the Italian flag, which if you do remember that video right there, I did mention it remind me of a candy cane, right?
Yes, sir.
But, you know, right now on Nike.com, all sizes are still available.
Yes, sir.
Once again, all sizes are still available. What we got next, my brother?
So moving on to the last shoe on the list was those Nike SE Craft Jordan 4s. I said I was going for those, and bam, was able to cop these. So stay tuned for unboxing of that.
Yes,
And a more
sir.
detailed video. But again, all sizes are sitting on Nike.com. So if you haven't copped these or you're on the fence about copping them, go ahead and get them. Scoop them up, sneakerheads. I believe that these are going on the retail prices on StockX. Sometimes when you do the math, you'll still be cheaper buying for retail because after the StockX fees and taxes and shipping, then you may have to add on like $50 more to that price that's listed. So if you want these, they're still available for you, sneakerheads, so go on and scoop them up.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.